Do you want to know how you can share live locations in Signal? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to how to log in. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Signal app and click on any messages with your friends or family, and you can see the plus icon on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. To share your location, first of all go ahead and click on this plus icon and you can see the location option on the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on this and click on continue to allow access for Signal for your location. Then click on while using this app if you want, and you can see that this is your live location. If this is incorrect, you can just go ahead and click on this location icon on the top right hand side, and if you want to change the location and send the location of other places, you can just go ahead and select the location icon and click on the tick mark. But if you want to share your live location, just go ahead and click on this location icon, and then you can easily click on the tick mark, and then you can see that this live location has been sent. As soon as the people click on this location, they can access it and they can come to you, as well as you can go to them if they send you their location. So I hope this video about how you can share live locations in Signal was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.